everyone, my name is Elodie and I'm from France.
Hello, my name is Marah.
Hello everyone, my name is Jing.
Hi, my name is Emma.
Hello, my name is Chloe and I'm from Australia.
But I speak Cambodian and French.
And my mother tongue is Arabic.
My mother tongue is Chinese, but also French.
My mother tongue is French.
And my mother tongue is English and Korean. 7, 6, 7.
I would say 8.
0.
2 or 3 maybe.
I think it's like something soft, grounded, chill things, but sometimes it's just like very, I don't know how to say, but I'm sorry. Just so hard. I mean, so rude sometimes.
I find it's more as a friendly, soft language to speak.
I think it's quite funny.
I think for me it's beautiful with the music, but in general funny because of the dramas of all the words I use, etc. It's really made for dramas. Okay, so Iran Modigan, Morio Morio, Morio Morio, Iran Modigan, Morio Morio. No. Guys, what's the answer? No. Iran. Wait, say it again. Iran. Modigan. Yeah. Morio. Okay, to my representation group. 2, 1. I knew it wasn't twice! It's not correct.
Did she read?
But
She didn't read the word about
0.
Bang, bang, bang.
마치 돼.
마치 돼.
것 같아.
것 같아.
손오공.
손오공.
손오공. 마치 될 것 같아.
마치
돼.
마치 돼.
것 같아.
것 같아.
손오공.
손오공. 마치 돼. 것 같아.
것 같아.
것 같아.
손오공.
손오공. 마치 easy. Can you repeat? I can't know the lyrics. Sonogong is the important word. Machiguguta. Sonogong. Machiguguta. I'm trying to get the black word. Can you repeat it? Machitue. Machitue. Kokata. Machitue. Sonogong. Okay, I got this. Please.
Bang, bang, bang.
Okay, just please remember the last word. Mashitue, Kugata, Sonogong. Wait, I'm gonna sing. Mashitue, Kugata, Sonogong. Sonogong is important. Yeah, Mashitue, Kugata, Sonogong. Machitue. Yeah, Music talaga. Sonogong. Sonogong. Gugata. Sonogong.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sanctus.
Mashitue. Gotaga. Sonogong.
Ah! 17 syllables.
Bang, bang, bang.
I know the song. It's easy. It's three times the same thing. Na,
Na,
ururong,
urulong.
yeah.
Na, urulong,
Ururong, de.
de.
3 times ururong. Na, ururong, de.
Ne, konti.
De. Na, ururong, de.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus.
Na,
Na,
urulong.
ururong,
De.
de. Na, ururong, de. Oh, no. Na, ururong, de.
Oh, I know. Na, urulong, de.
EXO ground.
De French dance if we need to dance.
On peut faire du French encore à la fin.
Kompeki Anya To는 쪽 없으니까
Kompeki 아니야.
Or wait, kompeki Anya.
There's a word in the middle.
Kompeki Anya, one word and
Obscenica. Yeah.
Kompeki Anya, one word, obscenica.
Hi.
Wait. Okay. Compagnie Anya.
Okay.
One word. She just forgot. So forget how it was. Obscenica.
Well, I think I know some.
Compagnie.
Compagnie.
C'est ça.
So it's like, it sounds something like compagnie. You like company, but compagnie.
Hi.
She forgot the word, like compagnie.
She forgot the word. 없으니까, I don't know. 없으니까. Company, It's that, it's all. That's all.
It's a company.
Company. I don't know. She told me compactly.
Blackpink, stay.
I know it.
I was joking.
Oh, can I
Oh, you guessed.
Please.
Is it shut down that I think?
Is it? But you still have to dance.
We pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shutdown. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. It's black and it's pink once the sundown. We pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shutdown. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Keep watching me shut it down. Nah, you're the one.
For me, it was very Korean. I don't know the lyric. Even the song, I know the song, but not the lyric, so it was very bad. And
I really love the game. I really love it, and I love to play with my friends. So yeah, I really want to do more songs, please. Thank you for watching the video today. So please like, comment,